Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's a Saturday and we have some sunlight. Although it is still a bit cloudy, but the sky is beautiful. Today we have the 325i here. Alright, I bought this in the last video if you lot saw. 325i, saloon, E46 and manual. Obviously, I've got the most prime example here, okay? Let's get started with the walk around. Paint chips with rust holes, faded bonnet badge that needs to go in the bin instantly. However, we do have the chrome grills, all right? The most important part. This was not deleted, which is great. We go around the car. Body's not bad, but missing mirror cover, very bad. Underneath, we have a decat because when I bought this car, half of the exhaust was missing. Someone stole the cat. I don't really know why this is such a common thing with these cars. Like, is it worth it ruining an entire car for it? Classic BMW rear arch corrosion, but it's not anything major. It's just only a little bit cosmetic. Kind of normal for a car that was made like 20 years ago now. Of course, it is slick top, which means it's a race car. Getting into the interior, we have black cloth with these beautiful like 2000s pattern trims that are in okay condition. Best thing, we do actually have all four OEM mats. There is an issue with the armrest, however. When you lean your arm here, where you would usually lean your arm on an armrest, yeah, I don't know what the f happened, but like the armrest is broken. Kind of trash and not really the most comfortable, but if you finesse your elbow a little bit, it's not that bad. Now in the front, we got the beautiful E46 multi-function steering wheel. Volume controls, cruise control. Oh my days. I won't lie, if you don't know about cruise control, you're sleeping. Best option for any car ever. I'm even thinking about getting cruise control for that thing. Other than that, the interior is pretty stock. There's not anything stupid going on, but check this out. Look at that. 231,000 miles. This is the highest mileage E46 I've ever seen in my life. Still on the road. And this thing is a 325i manual. Think about it. This exact car must be one of the most bulletproof examples of an E46. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Yeah, look at that. Well, there's nothing really to look at here. It is a stock E46 325i engine bay. This, if you don't know, is the M54 B25. I don't know how many horsepower it puts out. It might be up in the 190s. Either way, this is an AC car. You can see that. It has a brand new alternator under there. And your standard straight six valve cover leak issue. Nothing too crazy again. Just stock BMW. Just how we like it. Anyway, that's the new car. I'm just going to attempt to sell it on as like a normal car instead of a drift car or sports car. Right? It did come with a good stack of paperwork and service history, but along with the good bodywork and minimal issues, this should be an easy sell. Bruh. Okay, so I'm under the black coupe, as you can tell. Like, what? So, obviously, the lighting and fucking studio situation is unlikely. However, right here, you can see prop shaft undone. Up here as well, center bearing bolts are finger tight, ready to be undone, and the whole thing can just fall out. Here, if you look from my nice rusty hole, I just undid, where is it? I just took out the exhaust bracket mount thing. The best part is right here was actually so squished that it was covering the bolt. So I had to do a little hammer and screwdriver situation to literally like uncover the bolt so I can undo it. Next is the diff, and then the whole prop shaft can just come out like a real life prop shaft tutorial. Adnan is under there right now wrestling the prop shaft. My guy.
Stuck in there.
Nah, it's not touching, bro. Do you reckon we need to put the gearbox down? Like, and gearbox mounts?
Possibly.
Anyways, we're under here again. The prop shaft is out. This is the shifter linkage kind of hanging out, which is cute. The prop shaft is there. Adnan helped undo all the diff bolts up there. So the prop shaft literally just kind of fell down as soon as we undid the gearbox mount. And now, with the prop shaft being out, the only thing actually left to undo, forgot to mention we undid the engine mount as well, so those are out. The only thing actually left to do now is the fuel lines, and then the engine should actually be able to be fucking taken out of the car, finally. Oh, what's this?
She's finally back on the road.
Oh, yeah, is she actually back on the road though?
Mate, fully legal, works fine, mate. Yeah.
Oh, come on. MX5. Okay, we're not gonna look at this, obviously.
ignore the rust, it's fine.
Hey, start something all that. You knows. So, go on, tell us about this. What happened?
So, ages ago when I first met you, literally the same day, some old man in a Nissan Note smashed the front end of the car. I literally wrote the chassis up and everything.
Nice exhaust.
Don't worry about it, ignore that, it's fine. She's mint, she's mint. After that, I sold it to my mate. He had it for about 8 months. He gave up with the car because it was so fucked. He said, I'm going to sell it. So I was like, do you know what? Fuck it, I'm going to buy it back.
Nice.
Stupid decision, absolutely stupid decision.
Don't worry.
No.
I done the same thing.
You told me not to as well.
Yeah.
Got the chassis straightened, replaced literally like all the brakes on it because they were completely seized together.
Perfect. So you doing bits to this? I like this little strut bar as well. Where was it actually bent? Because it looks straight as fuck. I won't lie to you.
Well, yeah, they did an alright job, that's alright. Basically, so the chassis roll here on the inner bit, they were literally all just crumpled in. Yeah.
Bro, this thing is looking sick.
Oh, I'm happy.
Absolutely.
Now it's time for modifications.
Oi, oi. You want to do drift karting, innit?
Oh, definitely, have to.
Bless. You lot might see some of this on the channel, so stay tuned. All right, so this is the next day. It's Sunday now, and I think that I might actually just make this into one video. So let me know what you lot think of this. We are at the lockup right now with the black coupe. As you saw yesterday, disconnected the prop shaft and all of the underneath. You can even see the gearbox hanging down right now. Still, the only stuff left to disconnect is the fuel line. So I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna get under there and do that now. We have the engine hoist from Bevan's brother, Dylan. Thank you very much. We have a nice engine strap from Dan, which is good. I definitely forgot this last piece, so we're gonna use that. Empty tire from Bevski to put the engine on. Adnan is here with his daily. Excuse the rear windshield missing. Don't worry about it. This is just extra character. So what's gonna happen is kind of the same thing as what we did with my other 328 engine. We're gonna yank it straight out of the car and put it in the boot of this and transport it to my container. So I think that this is what's happening right now. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with filming it. I do have my GoPro, but I don't trust it because it keeps like corrupting files and being annoying. So this is a big moment. Hopefully all goes well. So for reference, I'm just undoing the fuel lines because obviously there's been an issue with this shit before. You can kind of see that they cross over and actually go over each other and do some dumb shit. I don't know what that means, but I'm just trying to get this video for my own reference later because I might forget and fuck it up. Yay. Hello. Hopefully this is good. We're gonna try and actually yank it out. This is cute. I'm really into this. Is this gonna be like oil sump situation with ratchet strap inside it?
No, that won't break. Should have just gone to my house and got my ratchet strap.
Let's go.
It's like fucking 200 meters long.
Let's go.
This shit's...
Let's go.
Sketches.
Yeah, this is kind of what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's see it. What happens? Yeah, it's stuck on a steering rack. My car is coming off the jack stands because the engine mounts are fucked, and now we can't go back down because the ratchet strap is in the wrong place. Well, we've got the fucking crowbar, mate. It's around the corner right there. Look to your right. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, that's fine. How did you do that? Can you try to do that on this side? Because I think that I'm just an idiot. Yeah, that's kind of working. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, calm. Okay, so the engine's like out now. That's fine. We didn't even need to do no lower arm. Oh my god, I never disconnected any of the power steering. Okay, that's fine. It's not bad. We've got it off the engine mounts, which is like the worst part, so it's calm. Fuck power steering anyway, bro. That shit's for fucking pussies. So the canister can stay on the engine, but the ones that are connected to the steering rack need to come off. And this is this one, which is 20 mil or something. No, but it's been draining over the years though from it being parked, so. Yes, of course. I don't know where to put this. It's like a sexy box. I really want to save it. I'll put it here. It's a bait place. Alright, so we return to the engine pool because we've removed all the shit that needs to not be in the way. Unlikely. The engine strap to pull the engine goes around this exact fucking power steering line. We can...
That's literally genius.
I think go ahead with that thing that you said.
Yeah, maybe the only way. That looks like...
I think at this point it is the only way. You reckon? Or are we going to try the 19 and win? Yes. Okay, that was cute. Alright, well, the power steering line's a piss, so it's not the worst thing in the world, you know? Did it go back in the mount?
It's stuck on some bullshit.
Oh, God. We can just go out now, I think.
Yeah, just go slightly higher.
Oh, cool. Nice car. Nice build, bro. It's now stuck on the manifold. What do we think about this strap? This power steering line is fucking extra cute.
Properly pinched into just the most annoying place.
Yeah, that's okay. Cool. Power steering line sorted. Now we have to get away from the manifold. Have to rotate the underneath of it. The car is on the jack stands now, right? I'll guide the gearbox a little bit. Yeah, calm. That's blessed. We should literally be able to yank it out all the way now. Okay, I'm falling over. Oh God, look at this fucking mess. I did that. That's me. Entirely. Bolt snapped. Sports car engine, bro.
I think they use this engine in Formula 1, I'm pretty sure.
Ha ha! They use this engine in
fucking Formula, kill yourself.
Ooh, power steering.
You reckon it's snakeable? Power steering line.
That is one.
No problems. Easy.
Bend it slightly, so it's still
Only a little bit.
100% pucker.
Yeah. Anyway, check this out. Engine less. With this out.
Bluetooth engine.
Fuck yeah. Come on, bro. Hell yeah, guys. Come on. Now we get this in the car, sort it out. Well. Seems like the container now contains, alright, 2 328i engines. Unfortunately, there has been a casualty. When we were loading it up in his car originally in the back of that, I was sitting on the left there trying to cradle the box and pull it in, and I fucked my back. I'm not gonna lie. I strained it, I stretched it, I did something, and now I have horrible back pain. But I should be alright. It doesn't seem fatal, so I should be fine. But best part, we have the blown up 2.8 engine outside of the black Coupe, and now begins the next steps of the journey. Oh, we're pretty much done in here. I think that the video is also done. I'm just trying to work out some new formats. But I think that that's going to be it for this video. The engine is out of the black Coupe, which is some great progress. That's a lot of progress, 100% in my books. I've already finished half the project, even though we only just starting. Yeah, the engine's in here with the gearbox, all good. Just want to show that again, just because I need to be able to watch it back and believe it myself. Adnan helped a lot. Again, thank you, bro. Honestly. I would say follow me on Instagram at Rogue Drive, just to keep up to date with things. Adnan, you want to shout your Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it on the screen right here. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.